Hyunion Holding is one of China's leading manufacturers of high-efficiency variable frequency motors, automotive components, and molds. Its subsidiary, Liuzhou Hyunion Automotive Components, specializes in the production and processing of automotive body stampings, welded assemblies, sheet metal parts, and decorative components. In this case, we visited Liuzhou Hyunion Automotive Components Company, a Tier 1 supplier to SGMW, to learn about the practical application of high-precision 3D scanning technology in the dimensional inspection of automotive sheet metal parts. Sheet metal parts are characterized by their thin, lightweight structure, susceptibility to deformation, and diverse shapes. Inspection focuses primarily on holes, trim edges, and related features. Traditionally, effective inspection requires dedicated checking fixtures equipped with contour-matching devices that precisely replicate the shape of the sheet metal component. The part is then secured using clamps, while gauges and inspection pins are used for measurement. As a result, inspection fixtures are expensive, require long manufacturing lead times, and each sheet metal part typically needs its own dedicated fixture, making them non-universal. The widespread adoption of high-precision 3D scanning technology has provided manufacturers with an effective solution to the high cost associated with traditional fixtures. High-precision 3D scanners use non-contact optical scanning and 3D reconstruction technology to rapidly capture and generate high-accuracy full-scale 3D models of sheet metal parts. They also enable comprehensive dimensional inspection. Measurements of holes, edges, dimensions, and geometric tolerances can all be covered. In addition, the key advantage of non-contact measurement is that sheet metal inspection does not require contour-matching devices that precisely replicate the part shape, as fixtures do. Only simple supports or clamping devices are needed. Manufacturing costs are significantly lower than those of traditional fixtures. Furthermore, the combination of 3D scanners and simple supports offers strong versatility, allowing inspection of multiple sheet metal products. This further reduces costs and shortens production cycles. Through its partnership with Shining 3D, Hyunion has successfully integrated high-precision 3D scanning inspection technology into its production quality control system. This not only effectively addresses the challenges of sheet metal inspection and improves inspection efficiency, but also reduces production costs by replacing some fixture functions. At the same time, it enhances the digitalization and intelligence of inspection processes. Technology empowers industry, and innovation drives development. Hyunion's successful practice fully demonstrates that 3D scanning technology, as an advanced digital quality control tool, continues to provide strong support for the automotive manufacturing industry. As the technology becomes increasingly widespread and its applications continue to deepen, it will further drive the industry toward greater efficiency, higher intelligence, and superior quality.